Military veterans transitioning out of the military must get comfortable talking about themselves. And as I've said in my previous video, this is a challenging part for many veterans because they're not used to talking about themselves. It's always about us and not me. This is Gary Rohmann, the veterans coach. And this transition tip is knowing how to tell your story, part 2. In short, your story articulates interesting things about you. And if done genuinely and correctly, it will set you apart from others in the marketplace that you will be competing with for that job. There are 3 basic steps. Step 1, pause and reflect. You need to know where you are right now. If you don't know where you are, you cannot accurately set a course to whatever's next. This will involve reflecting on key events in your past, both good and bad. Step 2, write them down. This will provide insight into the trajectory of your life and the path you're on. This process will help you become more self-aware. Step 3, connect the dots. It is important to approach this process with an open and curious mindset. Don't judge yourself or your experiences. Seek to understand and gain insight from them. The more your brain can connect the dots on experiences, ideas, and the other events of your life, the more effective your brain can be or efficient in making decisions about your future and ultimately arrive at the aha moment. Yes, this is what I want to do. In my next transition tip, part 3, I will introduce you to the golden circle, which will help you to communicate more effectively. Remember, you don't have to travel alone. Reach out. I can help. My contact information is at the end of this video. I'm Gary Rohmann, the Veterans Coach.